some guacamole, babe. So guacamole is usually avocado, onions, cherry, tomatoes, cilantro, lemon juice. Here's the key shit. Look at that shit. Tomatoes from Mexico, onions from Mexico, jalapenos, oh shit, cilantro, lime juice, sea salt, yahoo! And there's the avocado. Now I don't know where it's from, but let me tell you something. California is where you get the avocados at the cheapest price and the freshest. So the first step is to take the avocado, cut it, take the skin off, take the seed out, like so. So here are the two halves. There's the seed. I gotta take that out and take the skin off. Okay, so I took a spoon and just scooped everything out. And then popped that seed out. So that ain't nothing but avocado, baby, baby. What you wanna do is take and mash up the avocados as much as you can. That's about as far as I'm gonna go. Because I started off with this kind of spoon, but ended up doing it with these spoons. You dig? So now what I'm gonna do is take the ingredients from this and pour it on this. Like so. Look at the colors on that, baby. Now I'm about to just go ahead and blend all that up. And I could probably use that, but I'm going to go ahead and use my hands on this one. So making this guacamole was a workout within itself because, I mean, I worked the shit out of these forearms, baby, in order to blend up what you're about to see. There it is, all mixed up, slathered together, smelling good as hell. Ooh-wee! That's Chef Yaboyardee. That's your Chef Yaboyardee's homemade guacamoles. Now you go out and get your favorite chips. In this case, this is where I'm going to be eating them. This is what I'm going to be using. I found these over in the little bargain bin, like they was discontinued or some shit. I saw fajita. To me, these are appropriate because you can just go ahead and scoop you a little bit of something. Lord have mercy. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Now I think about it, I think I am going to go ahead and put this up on YouTube. With Cinco de Mayo coming up, y'all might need this recipe. Lord have mercy. This got a strong kick to it. It tastes good as a mug, baby. I would get a Corona if I